Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to check plagiarism percentage in Grammarly. So first things first, what we're going to do is search for Grammarly. This one right here, click on this one. And now it says that we have to enter text or upload file to check for plagiarism and writing errors. So now let's search some infos online. So here we're going to copy this one. And then we have to paste it to Grammarly. And then click this one. And as you can see, it will give us the plagiarism result for the text that we've just been pasted. So that's how basically you can do that. If you ever find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.